Right. Let's go and have a look. Speed bump. Oh, it's nice to see canal boats. Oh, somebody living on this one. They've got a little garden. God, there's not much room though to live there. Got Monty. Oh, he's got firewood there, look. Little storage. Oh, we've got a mobility scooter here. They might not be able to get that further up there. Dingley Dell. Dingley Dell. Wow. Oh, don't tell me I can't get through. I might be able to. Oh yeah, I can go through here. Don't fall in canal. Oh, we're a bit close here. Oh, we're very close. Oh, what a lovely place. Not easy on here though, with ruts on the path, but not bad. At least seeing something different. So this should be on the way towards Rotherham. So this should take me to that lock, if I can get that far, near Asda in town. Oh, you can smell the canal, you can smell the water. It smells lovely. Somebody's dropped litter. A bit awkward on the path because it's not flat, you're tilted a little bit. Oh, on my right side is, oops, hang on, let me get past here. So we've got the canal here. There's the view. The water's really, really close. But then here, I've got the back end of Retail World, and that, it says there, Pargate, and it's the tram stop. Oops, a daisy. Oh God, this is bumpy. Don't tip me in that water. So you can see the shape of the building, the roof shape. I don't know why they made it like that. Must be a reason. Got a duck through here. Let's have a look. Oh shit, look at that bridge. I can't get over there. Too narrow. Oh, that's a shame. Put my brake on. That is very, very narrow. I mean, I'll have a look and see if it'll fit, but I doubt it. That's a shame. And here, as I said, this is the old bus depot. And as you can see now, it's some kind of steel company. How things change. And over there looks like the overflow for the canal. Well, I'm just trying to see if it would fit, and I think I might just be able to do it, but I don't think I'd want to ride over it. Well, my back wheels have gone over. Now what about my handlebars? Yeah, I don't know if it's worth risking this, but to see what's at the other side. So very, very, very slow, and see. Oh, I don't want to fall in there. Not with my new trike. Oh, that's a railway line. Right, let's see. Oh, that tree is going to get me flag. Come on, we can get across just steadily. Oh. Now we've got the post. Don't scratch it. Slow. Oh, going down now. Right. Whoa. I fell bloody down the hill. Got to turn it round now. And then we'll see if we can go a little bit further. Yeah. Okay, where are we now? Oh, well, this is the bridge that goes, oh, we've got swans up there. This is the bridge that goes over the canal and the River Don that goes towards Rotherham. So here, oh, slow, steady. That canal looks a bit dirty. There's a lot of rubbish in it. Oh, we've got all these swans here. Oh, there's loads of them. And we've got some more canal boats, so that'd be nice to see. Path's a little bit better just here, a bit wider, so I've got a bit more room. Let's have a look at the swans. There's ducks as well. I'll fetch you some bread next time. I'm sorry, I haven't got anything. Oh, sorry.